Hey, it's Brian with the Midnight Mechanic with your tech tip for today. Today we're going to show you a tool that's going to make your life a lot easier in your shop. Now we have our old Harbor Freight engine hoist here that has lived 1,000 lives with us, and the cylinder finally decided it was going to give up. We could barely get an engine out of a car or up in the bed of a truck. So we decided to get something that would make it a lot easier in the shop, and that's an air over hydraulic cylinder. Now we'll show you how to replace it and how it works. So now you can go ahead and start removing the bolts from the cylinder. Ours were just 7/8 and we just used a ratchet and a box end wrench. Once they get out, it's as easy as just throwing them to the side, taking the cylinder and dropping it out. So now that you have your cylinder installed, there's two different ways you can raise it. First is just like normal. Put your handle in there and pump it up. The new way we have is you hook your air line to it and it does the work for you a whole lot easier. Now to get it down, it's no different than it was before. Just as easy as that. So hopefully you guys see the advantage of having an air over hydraulic cylinder on your engine hoist. Now this one was about 80 bucks. It was an off-brand, we got it on Amazon. We're not too worried about that because our old manual one was also off of Amazon and it lasted us almost a decade. We used it hundreds of times. So if it does go bad, it's only 80 bucks. We'll just throw another one on there. Now, if you guys have any other thing you'd like to learn about, any other tools you'd like to see, post down below in the comments. Follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, and check our other Facebook page out, Third Pedal Engineering, and we'll see you guys next time.